Here we have the MAGDUO fire alarm system range from ESP. If you're working on small to medium-sized commercial projects, then this is a really straightforward product to install. With its intelligent 2-wire system, this means that sounders, strobes, call points can all be installed on the same circuit, meaning less cable, less hassle, and a cleaner install overall. The control panels are available in 2, 4, and 8 zone options, meaning you've got flexibility depending on the size of your project. Plus they have event login for up to 500 events and enhanced testing modes, meaning maintenance is much easier. The detectors range is also packed full of features, combining optical heat and smoke detectors with built-in sounders and strobes. And it's the little details that really stand out, with end-of-line monitoring, head removal, day and night detection modes, all add to a simpler, more reliable installation.